Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a security PIN number to your account on the Pockit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Setup PIN. Then you should click on the Enable Security PIN, and then you should enter your PIN number, then re-enter it. As you can see, it is being processed. And as you can see, you have successfully created your PIN number. So each time you want to open the application, you will be required to type it in. And if you want to turn it off, all you have to do is coming back to this menu section and click on this Enable PIN number, and as you can see, it's turned off. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.